Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to install Google Anti-Gravity IDE on Linux. So we will see how to install this with simple commands. So let's get started. Now let's search how to install Anti-Gravity on Linux. Anti-Gravity install on Linux. This is the website Google Anti-Gravity download Linux. And here are the installation guidance like DEB-based Linux distribution. So first, we need to understand what is our distribution or package installer. So whether we have RPM or DEB. So to check this, we need to run this command. So this is the command to check the package installer. So copy this command and paste in the terminal here, and let's run this command. So now here are the details, and here is the command package like id dbn. So we need to install dbn here. So this is the id we can check with this command. The package installers we can check with this command. Like we have dbn, so we will run with dbn. We will install with deb commands dbn. Now we just need to run these commands one by one. Just copy this command and paste here and run. Let's add this command, update the packages, sudo apt update, and this is the final command to install. Let's add this command, sudo apt install anti-gravity, and enter. So it will take some time to install. So it's installed now, and now we just need to check. So our anti-gravity installed now. Now let's open this. Okay, there are two options like start from fresh or import from VS Code. So let's start from fresh. This is the theme. Let's select the dark theme. Okay, how do you want to use anti-gravity? Like review driven development. Let's click on next and let's sign in with Google. So we have just to sign in and next to the terms and condition, and now we are here. So this is the interface of anti-gravity, and it will take some time to load the agents. And I have login, I have sign up, and this is the same interface as the VS Code. Uh, so these are the models like Claude, Sonnet, Gemini 3 Pro, and Planning. These are all the models available for agents. And now let's create a blank Python file app.py. Let's write something like create a fast API here. Let's just create the fast API. Let's send. So these are the extensions. It is similar. It's mostly similar as the VS Code extension. Remote explore, we can explore more. So this is the create. This agent created the fast API, simple fast API, and add in app.py. We just need to accept. So I have accepted, and this is the code. And it has also access of terminal, so it can install fast API from the terminal also. And related tools like uvcon.env. This is in the remote explorer. So this is how you can install AntiGravity in Linux. That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.